This is our 24th year of doing this, and I'm so happy that, like many shorter-term studies, whether it's a master's or a PhD or even any other raptor studies, that the long-term approach actually ameliorates the peaks and valleys. That we have a good feeling now, what is actually going on. And if we had sought to publish back in the beginning, first discovered this or whatever, an egocentric kind of thing, yeah, we would have things out there and perhaps we'd have more awareness and support. But on the other hand, those are just mere snapshots in time and are really indicative of the overall trend. And so, we're learning about the population of the Northwest. We're learning what their geographic distribution is. We're getting some incredible insights in terms of the habitat that they're using, because we're actually quantifying that. And to be able to tell you quantitatively what they're eating from the ancient forest right into the urban settings is a significant insight that isn't to be found elsewhere. So this holistic approach, I think, has been very beneficial for our awareness, and now we just need to get that into the hands of the citizenry so that they can too appreciate this exciting player. In the beginning we had one nest site in the region that we were monitoring. Spent 2 whole summers at that site. Got a lot of useful information, but it's nice to see the diversity of situations. I'm looking for feathers from these songbirds that the Merlins are capturing, and then the male actually may be prepping them elsewhere, and certainly he's probably taking the head off and the wings and the tail, and he might eat brains there, and so he brings in a real lightweight package, which is much easier for him to carry, and when he delivers it to the female, she might still have to pluck some of the feathers out. So I'm trying to find these feathers so we can better understand their food habits across the landscape of the Northwest. And here, in this urban setting, I mean, what we're finding is primarily mostly house sparrows and house finches is what they're eating. That's most abundant. But we go to probably a dozen different bird and environmental festivals around the region and take our educational exhibit. We have a video we produced. I have about 4 different slide programs that are available for public education, which we do regularly at Audubon chapters and other interested groups. So, yeah, I really believe in taking the insights that we've gained from the field and imparting those to the public. And I think lively and entertaining, in-person programs are probably the greatest opportunity for people to Q&A and just have an opportunity to sit with a Merlinologist, as it were, for an evening. Actually, attract a mate, lay your eggs, get him incubated, hatched, fed, and fledged. And even then, it's a challenge. How many young are actually going to survive? The mortality is somewhere between 40 and 60% in most species studied. I'll dial up the bigger picture here for us.
It's a little smaller than a goldfinch, isn't it?
Fairly similar size.